Here I have ALCATEL free, and let me show you how to reset DRM license on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the apps icon, find and select the settings right here. From the list of settings, you need to scroll down in order to find and select the system. Here let's choose reset options and choose DRM reset. So let's tap DRM just one more time. This operation will delete all of the license on this device. If you would like to continue, let's tap OK. So as you can see, license have been deleted successfully. So now you can start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.